This could be fun. It may not go anywhere, but it may go screaming down the track. Who knows? We're about to find out. Kevin Moore. We've got to quit that. I know it. It happens all the time. Every time. Every time we talk somebody up. Never fails. We talk about somebody up here. Can I hear a whoo? She did it. I see it says a caucus of Brian Randall. Have you had your hands involved in this one? Not very much. Okay, I had to ask. Easy, Rodney. He's who hires you. Well, I don't care if it goes or don't go. I just can't picture the horsepower that thing's making compared to what we've watched today. All right, 11,000-pound class, first pull around out of the farm, Austin Porter, 1066 International. You're going to have to get on top of it. That's a lot of charger to get to spinning. Stop. He is a test forward. He's going to have to bring the RPM way up on that. That's a whole lot of charger. 2.6. All right, let me give you the rundown here of the other class real quick. Of the 8,500 work stock, pick them up.